Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I'm going to be unboxing a sexy underwear subscription and it's by Empress Mimi. And this is what it came in this month. Normally I get a little box, but I got a gorgeous silk type material bag. So as always, if you're new to Empress Mimi, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious to see what I received in this month's bag, then I will add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Empress Mimi is a UK-based luxurious and playful lingerie subscription. It ships free within the UK and it ships worldwide for an added cost, which is calculated at checkout. So they have 3 different subscriptions you can choose from. The first one is called the Box of Frillies, and inside you will find a pair of knickers, and they will be briefs, thongs, or like lacy or frilly type knickers. They are a surprise, so essentially they're all mystery boxes, but Empress Mimi do have a returns policy. They have a 14-day policy where if you receive something and you don't like it or it's the wrong size, you're able to exchange it or ask for a refund, which is brilliant because some of these items do cost a lot of money, as I will tell you as we go through the subscriptions. So the House of Frillies box costs £14.95 a month. Next you've got the Queen box, which is what I've got, and inside you receive either knickers and a bra top, or you might receive like a bodysuit or a swimsuit or even a negligee, and this costs £39.95. Then you've got the Empress box. Inside you'll receive exactly the same as you'd get inside the Queen box, which is either knickers and a bra top or a all-in-one bodysuit, but then you'll also get like things like negligees and kimonos and some jewellery and some sexy sort of treats like nipple tassels and things like that, and that box costs £119.95. So if you opt for the most expensive subscription, then that 14-day policy is a great guarantee, definitely. You can cancel any time, you can opt for a monthly subscription, or you can opt to have a bi-monthly subscription as well. And they offer a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription on all 3 types of subscriptions at a reduced cost. So on their website is an online store and they stock all the products that are inside these subscription boxes or bags as this month shows, and you make a saving of at least 50% by opting for like the mystery box subscription. And finally the sizing. So sizing starts from UK size 4 to 6, which is extra small, and then it goes up to UK size 16 to 18, which is extra large. Unfortunately they don't offer any higher sizes, and I honestly do think that they should consider, because we are a nation of lots and lots of different sizes, and I do think it would open more doors, definitely. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, and I remember, I will link it down below, or you're welcome to ask me any further questions, but all information related to this box I will link down in the description. So click underneath this video, see show more, click that will bring a description and everything will be listed down there. Now they do have codes online. When I first subscribed to the subscription, I had a 40% off code my first box, which is brilliant, which is one of the reasons I opted for it, because I thought, well, that brings down the cost quite a bit and I'm able to see if I like it or not. Fortunately for me, Empress Mimi saw my video and they have offered to send me these boxes now for free every single month in exchange for me unboxing them on my channel to show you. So obviously I agreed because I think this is a really lovely subscription. So yeah, so let's open it up and show you what I got, because I got something different this month and I haven't received one of these yet, and it is a bright corally orange colour. Look at that. When I first saw it I thought, oh my god. They've said to me if there's anything I don't like to let them know and they'll exchange it, etc. But it took me a while to like it, and now I do really like it. And I was in 2 minds whether to message them or not over it, because it's, you know, it's the colour is super bright. The style is something I've never tried before, but this is one of the reasons why I love the subscription, is because they're providing things I don't own. I've probably never owned. Sexy undies? No, mine were all like M&S. So yeah, so the instinct in me initially was like, oh my gosh, but I went and tried it on and oh, it just looks beautiful. It is really lovely and summery. If you don't know what on earth it is, it's a one shoulder swimsuit dash bodysuit. So it goes like this. So there's the sleeve here. I'm not going to try it on. Unfortunately, this isn't a try on channel as far as underwear goes. I'm sorry, but I'll pop a picture up so you can see exactly what it looks like on a model. But yeah, so it's a one shoulder, and then down this side then you've got ties. You've got little ties there, and little dangly ties, and they've got pretty little stars on the bottom there in gold. Got a little bit of a cheeky bottom, not much, only a slight bit, but that could be to do with the size of my bum. I got a size extra large, which is a UK 14 to 16. Now I have trouble normally with things like this as far as length goes, because I've got quite a long middle body, and in all honesty it is a little bit tight. I have to keep yanking it up on the side where I haven't got a shoulder strap there. But I've just come back from holiday and I've put like half a stone to £10 on in weight. So I'm guessing if I were to lose that little bit of padding, then it'll fit me better. It would be the type of thing I'd wear if I was on holiday, or if I was going somewhere where I could wear like a long, like flowing kimono, and I had something really fun and funky and a bit sexy to wear underneath, chilling by the pool, etc. Or what I think I'm more likely to wear it as a bodysuit. I would pair this with some really gorgeous high-waisted, say black, sort of like really baggy palazzo type trousers, or white ones even. I think that would be stunning. I think that would be so, so pretty, with some lots of layered sort of necklaces. I think that would be gorgeous. So yeah, so my initial thoughts when I received it was like, oh, and I honestly thought I was going to have to send it back to them. But after trying it and sort of looking at the bigger picture, I am really chuffed I've got it. I am really, really chuffed. So yeah, definitely something out of my comfort zone there. So it's called the Coral Goddess. That's the picture of it in there. And the information on the back, it says, "Dear Empress, the Coral Goddess box is here to take you from pool to pool party and all the way to the top. Read sunny rooftop bars and flamenco nights. This set is created to inspire the feeling of holidays and glamorous poolside styles, regardless where your day may take you. Wear it as a swimsuit or as a show-stopping bodysuit. The choice is yours. For centuries, coral has symbolised the vitality and vibrance of life's energies. Wear it to invigorate your senses and to rediscover the astonishing brightness of your beauty as friends, lovers, passers-by can't help but stare at the shining beauty that is you. Pair it with a high-waisted trouser." Oh, honestly, I haven't read this at all, haven't read it. "Pair it with a high-waisted trouser and slip away at an Aperol spritz under a straw hat for an effortlessly chic summer in the city look. The off-the-shoulder neckline is framed by statement ruffles, whilst the side lace-up detail accentuates your shape and adds that little extra oomph factor." So there you go. So that was this month's The Goddess box from Empress Mimi, and this is the middle range box, and it will cost you £39.95. So yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Have you received it yourself? What did you get? Or if you got the Empress box, or you got the House of Frillies box, what did you receive? I'd love to know. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.